Snapchat login not working. How to fix it? Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to fix your Snapchat login. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up Snapchat on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. And we have to log in to our Snapchat, and of course we need a username or email address, and then we need our password. But the problem is that we have forgotten our password or we don't remember our email. So if that's the problem, then it's really easy to solve. You can just click on forgot your password, and then you can choose if you want to reset it via phone or via email. And then you can just select any of these options. For example, I can go with via phone. And then they will ask you to enter an email or phone number. Make sure it's the same email or phone number that you have actually added to your Snapchat. So you just have to verify it and you get a code and you just copy it and reset your password. Now, if that's the problem, it's very easy to solve. You can just click on forgot your password. But if still your login is not working, then you can go to Snapchat support. For this, I will suggest you guys to simply go to Google and search for Snapchat support. And it will show you right here, it will take you to the support. And here you have to see, like you can see managing my account using Snapchat, and you can see all of the different problems. So you can just go to using Snapchat or managing my account. You can see sign up problem, login and password problem, if there is any problem with deactivating, reactivating your account. So you can just select the option, or you can contact the Snapchat support as well directly. So hopefully they will get back to you and your problem will be fixed. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.